Okay. Alwin next to me, as per usual, on our right. It's very good. And Otto likes to beat the bike. He doesn't like it if the bike overtakes him, but he doesn't like his face will go, I'm not happy. So now we have to try to catch up. Off into the distance. Showing off in the Otto. Woo! Yeah, I can't when you keep going zipping past me in different directions. No, I can't when you're zipping past me in all different directions. Okay, this is the best view in England, wherever you are. We're on the back of a horse.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
It should have alongside his mane.
Otto, come on. Good boy. Wait, I have to go through some quite low trees now.
Oh, this is where your bum goes into the air.
Yeah, this is why I have hold of the camera. Because if Alwin had the camera now, he'd be shooting my bottom stuck out of the saddle. Because I'm having to lean right forwards, as you can see. Trees. Oh! Quite low.
I always appreciate that.
Yeah.
I don't like going slow on a bicycle, but it does have its sparks every now and then.
You really, honestly,
Yeah.
incorrigible. Okay. Oh, no, he's just cheating. He's letting me and Otto pull him along. He's slowing us down.
Good band riders do that all the time.
Just cheating, do they?
Some drugs.
No, thank you.
Oh, you're only saying that because people can hear you.
Oh.
You want to video me trying to get up here?
Yeah, if you want.
No. It's not going to work.
Otto says yes. Otto has a fly up his nose at the moment. Are you wondering what I'm doing, Otto? Just lift your shirt a little higher so you can see that nice bottom. Just lift your shirt a little higher and then I can have a look at your nice bottom as you go. Look at that. It's perfect specimen.
Right. Just make sure it doesn't go on the internet.
Ugh. Lots of flies. You okay? No way of taping that together so it doesn't keep coming off. You're gonna... Oh, it's a good boy.
Video.
Yeah. Videoing our trail.
You should say some interesting things now for people to listen to.
I can't say interesting things. I have nothing interesting to say.
No.
But this is for all those people on who maybe look at my blog or your blog who want to know what it feels like to ride a horse. They can look at it from a horse's view, a rider's view from the horse.
Next thing we do is we tape it to his head.
I'm not taping it to his head.
You can really understand what it's like to be pushed around by Lottie.
I don't push my baby around. He's my good boy.
You're already semi-natural horsemanship and all that.
Well.
You should show them the reins.
Well, yeah, we've got our finesse reins on natural horsemanship. These are actually from Germany. They're not bought from Pirelli. They're bought from a lovely lady called Ines off eBay. I found her selling natural horsemanship stuff on eBay and bought quite a bit of kit off her, and it's really good quality stuff. So if I do a vlog of me doing my 7 games, Pirelli 7 games with Marek, the youngster, you'll see that equipment in use, and I think she's pretty damn good at the stuff she sells. Oh. Okay, I'm having to bend down quite low over Otto's now. As you can see, Alwin's having to bend down quite low, and obviously I'm a lot higher up, being on a horse at 16.3, so I'm trying to duck down. Just got stabbed in the back by a branch. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, now I can sit up and breathe again. Also, such a good horse. So I'm actually riding him with no reins at the moment. I've got one hand on the camera and one hand waving in front. We watch Alwin disappear into the distance. Because he is a really good horse, and we're trying to do the Pirelli stuff. Okay, I sat there looking at his watch saying, "God, keep up." Okay, right, when we get there, I'm gonna stop. You want me to video you going up the hill? You're gonna fail at it? I just got hit in the face by a tree. It's a video, Alwin. There we go. Ooh. Otto knows he's on the way home now, so he wants to go fast.
Yes, I can.
Ooh, ooh. It's alright, no, stay where you are, because we'll go around you. Alright, ooh. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, we're going, you'll have to catch us up. So we're back on the Irwell Valley Way, the nature trail, which we're really lucky we can get to off the yard. As you can see, there's the footpath and cycle path, and then there's the separate bridle path. We are pretty damn lucky. Have lots of off-road riding round here, away from the school. Oh, here comes Bionic Man on his bike. Oh. Zoom. Okay, right, I'm going to turn it off now because my arm's about to drop off from holding the camera up. Okay? Bye everyone!